Roger, we are green light for extraction. Ammo weapons resupply inbound.
Lies on HVT, going loud.
What's going on, everybody? It's me, James, here again to tell you about our monthly specials for July. This month we have a pretty awesome surprise, especially for you Stargate fanatics. Featured this month is none other than the P90, used in many movies as well as TV series. This weapon of choice replaced the MP5 until Season 4 of Stargate SG-1, as well as heavy usage by the teams on Stargate Atlantis. So the coupon code for this special is Stargate, all one word. Gets you 25% off your P90. Don't forget to check out our website as well as our blog for full details on this sale.